When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in rivers, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse?
What do you think, like, if we come back, what's the best thing we can bring you guys? Or we can send with time.
Heaters.
Heaters.
About 60 to 70% of my fire district still is without power.
Okay.
And we're looking at in the low 30s next week. So those folks are going to need power. Probably 60% of my fire district's elderly.
Okay.
And so today we've done distributed what heaters we've got and propane tanks.
High up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, but if you never try you'll never know just what you were. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
So I could get with you and maybe schedule something, like, I've got some people
Yeah,
to come up in 2-3
absolutely.
days.
Yeah.
You just tell us, you deploy us,
Yes.
deploy
Look,
Heather?
You're probably like,
Is that good? Did you get that? Okay, we're gonna, that's just the beginning, all right? We're gonna take care of you guys. No, and we're gonna really, like, take care of you. We're gonna figure this out with you, okay?
yeah,
you
yeah.
guys
We're
are
just
amazing.
we're just kind of floating around, trying to figure it out as we
Welcome
go.
to our lives, the same. We just float around until somebody needs help.
Yeah.
And we're like, we got it, all right, yeah, it doesn't matter.
See a stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. See a stream down your face, and see a stream down your face. I promise you I will learn from your mistakes. See a stream down your face, and lights will guide